Hey there, have you ever thought about the joy of catching your fish? Today we're diving into a beginner's guide on how to catch a fish. I'll show you where you can go, what you need, and why learning this skill is so rewarding. Not just for sustainable living, but also for your health. Let's get started. Fishing spots can vary depending on where you live. You can try your luck at a nearby lake, river, or ocean. Public parks often have fishing ponds, and if you're feeling adventurous, head to the coast for some saltwater fishing. Always check local regulations to know where fishing is allowed. Look for areas with clean water, moderate vegetation, and signs of fish activity, like ripples or jumping fish. These are hot spots for a good catch. Before heading out, here's your checklist for fishing. A fishing rod and reel. Choose one suitable for beginners. Fishing line lightweight for small fish or heavier for bigger catches. Bait worms, insects, or artificial lures work great. A tackle box to store hooks, sinkers, and extra lines. A bucket or cooler to keep your catch fresh. Don't forget sunscreen, water, and a hat to stay comfortable. Plan your trip early in the morning or late afternoon, as fish are more active during these times. Also, wear comfortable, weather-appropriate clothing. Now, let's get to the fun part, fishing. Follow these steps. Attach your bait securely to the hook. Cast your line gently into the water. Wait patiently and watch for the bobber to move or feel a tug on the line. Once you get a bite, reel in slowly but steadily. Be careful not to let the fish escape. And there you go, a beautiful little catch. Always handle fish with care and release them if they're too small or if you're practicing catch and release. Fishing is more than just a skill. It's a way to connect with nature, promote sustainable living, and enjoy fresh, nutritious food. Fish is rich in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential nutrients that support your heart and brain health. Plus, fishing is a great stress reliever. Spending time outdoors boosts your mental well-being and helps you unwind from the hustle of daily life. That's it for today's tutorial. Fishing is fun and a life skill that brings countless benefits. Give it a try, and you might discover a new favorite hobby. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on sustainable living. Happy fishing! Thank you for watching.